If you're trying to create a playlist inside of Tidal, in this video, let me exactly show you how. Welcome back to this guide video on how Genic. The first thing you'll need to do is make sure that you log into your Tidal account. And once you do, on the bottom left of the screen, you'll be able to see the option called Create underneath the section of Playlists. You can just click on this option and then select the Playlist option again. In this section, you'll be able to name this playlist, add in an image, as well as add in a description. If you want, you can also make this playlist public so that other people can check it out as well. Once you add in everything that you need, click on save on the bottom right of the screen. Your playlist now has been created. In order to add in songs inside of this playlist, you can just head over to the explore section or the home section and then click on the three dotted line on the right hand side. And right here, you'll see the option called add to playlist. Select the playlist that you want to add to and the song will be immediately added in. You can again repeat the process for any other songs that you're trying to add in and then just select the playlist you want to add it to. You will also get recommendations on the bottom of your playlist so that you can just click on this icon on the right hand side and the song will be immediately added in. So that was the way that you create a playlist inside of Tidal. I do hope this guide video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up.